Hi everybody, and welcome to Rivendell, our new radio automation system. I'm going to go over some basic operations that most DJs will have to do during the year, just to get acquainted with things. It's really pretty intuitive. It shouldn't be too hard to adapt to. So we'll start off, if you want to play something, you just click Add, and you can find what you want here in a list of everything that we have, or that you can break it down by group. So if I wanted to play some jazz legal IDs, I could just go there and maybe say I want to play some jazz music. Following that, I can just pick the first one. And if I play this, it'll go through the legal ID and then into the music. Right now we don't hear any audio because the board is off, but you just have the board on, set to Rivendell. Pretty easy to find. Right now also it's on automatic mode. That means it goes automatically from one cart to the next when it plays. A cart is just a basic audio file that plays. If you don't want that to happen, you can set it to manual, and that'll just play one, stop, and then play the next one, stop. You notice that whenever we press stop, the audio disappears. This could be annoying in places where you have to play the same thing over and over again. However, we have these handy new sound panels, and we have one for each department that are customizable. So if there are legal IDs or ads or things like that you play a lot, you can just have them down here and have them at the ready. You never actually have to go to add. And to add something to the sound panel, you just follow the same step. Press OK, and you would click here and it would add it. So let's say the classical department always plays the afternoon concert theme at 1 p.m. during normal air. I'll just show, we could go to CMID or all, and we can search for afternoon concert. There it is. It's okay, we can just place it here. If we want to change the color of the button, just press Setup, click on the button. We can get rid of this for automation part. It's not as important. Set the color. We'll pick this beige-ish color. Press OK, press Setup, and we're done. Now you'll hear the lovely afternoon concert theme every time you press that button in BC. We also have several different views down here. There's the main log, which will track everything that's played before you load another log. A log is sort of an equivalent of automation. We have also auxiliary logs. We probably won't use those too much. So sound panel, main log. If there's automation running, it should look something like this. You can set it to manual to stop the automation. If it was in automatic, then it would keep running. So right now we're not playing anything over air. You can press unload, that'll clear the automation, and go to sound panel and you're ready for live air. So that's a pretty basic overview of RD AirPlay. We'll talk more about other components of the system, including RD Library soon, and the RD Log Edit as well.